Hello one and all, Ryker here. I am testing out a new layout for my missort lists. And also some people have expressed interest in a weekly report. So I have over the past few days been learning Excel. And I'll just ask this once. Tone, are you sure you want weekly reports? Because I can tell you right now, I'm already angry at one day. At least with monthly reports, you can, kind of skate by them. Also, I haven't had any caffeine for like 8 days. So, yeah, I'm kind of angry. I will explain the layout of my mid-sort list if we do weekly reports. So first up, at the top, we have the date, which is from left to right. Then we have ULS, which is unload supervisor. Then we have the belts, which go down. Then we have the missort totals, the factory total, and the percentage. Then we have outbound, missing, missed, and double tags. Now at the end of the week, you'll see totals for just about one, which is 20, 2 got 16, 3 got 44, 5 got 201, and 6 got 41, and 7 only got 2, for a total of 324 missorts, 95k packages for the week, with an average missort rate of 0.34. Now I want to draw to your attention to February the 14th and how much you missed. The towers missed 111 packages for an 18k day, which is a percentage rate of 0.61. Are you sure you want this layout? I can hear a supervisor of mine talking about February 10th where I missed 18 packages. That is not me. I actually have a note here. February 10th, I worked on the van line with Supervisor G. So I was keeping track of all these missorts while I was on the belt. Anyway, if you like this layout, I will quickly do the previous week of February as well. And we will move on with this new segment, with this new layout. And yes, I know there's no segment calls in here, because this was kind of me in still learning the program, and I don't know how to do segment calls yet. But I will say this: highest segment calls for that week in particular, even 2.4 by tone. TB got for that week 1.8. Our lowest was 800 and our average was about 1.3. So yeah, let me know if you like this new layout. Also, I will still be giving out monthly reports as well. This is Ryker telling you to have a good day and a good night.